there is no leadership change as far as I know, and we have our full support behind the leadership of Senate President Miguel Zubiri.
Ma'am, sa tingin niyo po saan nanggaling yun?
In fact, I will ask you, saan ang galing yun? Kayo magsabi. Yeah. But anyway, I'm very focused on our work, right? And we don't like to talk about politics or any change at this point in time.
Sabi po ni Sen. JD, may kabit strategy daw po ng HOR pang divide and conquer.
I just want to work with our colleagues in the House of Representatives, our colleagues in the Senate. There's so much to do for the Filipino people.
Pero ma'am, yung intrigue ng change ng leadership, normal ito naman.
Who is to say what's normal and abnormal? We don't know. Yeah. As far as I'm concerned, there is no leadership change.
Wala akong alam sa resolution. I do not know where that came from. Okay?
Pero yung kudita, sir?
I don't know. Wala akong alam dyan.
Sir, isa ka daw sa candidate.
Kayo, sir, na kayo po yung parang napipili na...
I don't know. I haven't talked to a single senator about it.
But is there a need for a change in the leadership?
Right now, I don't think so.
Saan ang gagaling po itong calls po na ito?
Ako naman, there's a concerted effort to discredit the Senate. Nalaman ko pa yan last week pa. So sa amin, trabaho lang kami. We'll just focus on the job at hand and we'll not lose sight of the most important thing is to help the Filipino people. So yun lamang, wala naman.
May mga kinausap po ba kayong ibang senador tungkol po sa mga safety? May ibang admin senators may kinausap?
Usap palagi ko naman sila usap. Wala naman sila nalalaman. We'll know today. We'll know today if I give you a farewell dinner or not, right? But if not, let's continue working. It's important we continue working for the people. Trabaho lang tayo para sa kapakanan ng taong bayan.
Sir,